We're getting an upgrade to Antoinette that is really going to change the look. Welcome back to the Rudder. My name's Damien. We're aboard Antoinette, obviously at home, and so our awning and our covers have copped a bit of wear over the last couple of years. We're in the bright Queensland sunshine. We've also had some massive storms, and we just found the other day that right up on top here, it's starting to come away, and actually the fabric is coming apart and ripping. Bit disappointed to see that, and we were talking to the Jeanneau dealers and they were saying, look, these are made for European conditions and probably just not up to Australian conditions. They did say they're going to be changing them on the Series 2, so that's really good for everyone looking forward. But we've had a lot of discussions with a canvas maker. He's come down and had a look, and so we're thinking of changing what we're doing here. We'll leave that to the end of the video, but we're using a different material and it's going to make a different look. So we're going to be replacing the awning as well as our storage covers. So we don't use these at all when we're out on Antoinette. We take them down and stow them. So you can just see up here, it's really come away, and there's a little bit on the other side as well. The actual material has failed here. You can see it coming in from the outside there. Yeah. And also over here, you can see the stitching started to come away on these as well. Also on the storage covers, is a really weird thing. These are from the factory, and you can just see how baggy they are. And you might think, oh, these are designed so when the seat rolls backwards, it's used for that storage. But when the seat rolls backwards, this zip doesn't close anymore. So I'm not quite sure how they were designed. They're all baggy at the minute. That's something else we're going to change, is make it so this is nice and taut. We also don't need this fly screen in here. Speaking of fly screen, that is our #1 stipulation. If you've seen in a couple of our other videos, we've had fly screens made from Shane, same guy, and they go all the way around the outside connecting to the awning. Our #1 stipulation is we want those fly screens to still fit when we get the new awning in. So that's the only thing we need to worry about. Other than that, Shane will come out and set the awning up at the height that we want it, because these are variable, and measure it up and bring in the new material.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
As you can see, we're pretty excited. We've gone with Stamoid, which is this amazing white material. It's sort of like a canvas. It's been covered in plastic. It's completely waterproof. It doesn't really stretch or move that much. So as sort of the canopy moves around, it won't billow with rain and all those things that you might get with canvas. So Shane is putting on, these are our storage covers, very nice and a little bit tighter than the old ones. So he's still working away, doing everything up there. I don't know what he's up to. So here we are inside, and something that is a bit of a difference is that the zips are now all on the inside, so well inside, away from the weather. We've got these, which were a bit of an issue last time, which hold to the poles, so that the Stamoid is stretched evenly the whole way around. And in here it's a little bit different. There's a lot of light. I think it really changes the look of Antoinette. I think it makes it look a bit bigger. So it's quite striking with the white covers on. I haven't really seen it yet, so we're still getting these all on. So we'll take you on a bit of a tour. Really big difference is on the back. Used to very much billow, and you can see that's nice and tight now. We've also removed there's no need for windows. These are storage covers. It's quite smooth. It's quite different to the canvas that was there. So Shane's from Hook, Line and Trimming, or he is Hook, Line and Trimming. That's all he does. So yeah, this is his handiwork, just fixing it up now and getting it all beautiful. Well, we've got the covers on. I'm just off in Harry. I just wanted to show you from the water. As you can see, we've got the meshes on and everything's looking very nice and tight. And the meshes fit perfectly. It's really great. So you can really see, it almost looks like the roof is just a continuation now. I think it's a great job. Thank you, Shane, for that. How good that looks. Quite impressed. We're tucked up out of the wind, that's why we're in a bit of a funny position here. But yeah, so there we go. We have a new canopy. I hope you liked that video. If you've got any comments or if you want to get in contact with Shane, leave them in the comments down below. Hook, line and trimming is his business here on the Gold Coast. Leave them down in the comments below. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on The Rudder.